today's video, I want to share with you how I create the printables I sell in my shop. So I thought that a little bit behind the scenes, it was going to be great for, to know more each other, kind of, because little by little I want to share in my channel more content about behind the scenes. I think it's really interesting. Personally, I love to watch videos about behind the scenes, artists creating their spaces, everything like this. So today I'm going to start a new project for my shop, which is a set of 12 San Valentín en español. No. 12 Valentine's Day cards with 12 envelopes. So I thought maybe it was going to be interesting to share with you the process. Wait. I was editing this morning and I realized that I didn't introduce myself properly. Hello, I'm Aninka Miller. I have an Etsy shop where I sell miniature printables in 1/6 scale and 1/12 scale. So now let's continue with the video. I'm going to share with you all the steps, so let's begin. For me, every time I start a design, no matter what I'm going to design, the first step is always to create a mood board. I need to have a vision of more or less what I'm going to create. The ideas, search online, inspiration in Pinterest or whatever. And for me, it's a step that is not possible to create anything without this step. So I used a tool called Milanote that you can create many collages. This word is very difficult for me. And it's the way to put all the ideas together and have the whole vision, I need the whole vision. So for me, the first step is to create a collage. The second step to make a collection of printables is to find the templates. Sometimes I do it by myself because I have a little bit of knowledge about packaging and all this stuff, and you can find them in internet because there are plenty of templates. And also, what it works for a big size, the only thing that you need to do is to reduce to 1/6 scale or 1/12 scale. I print them in a plain paper just to check the measurements, because I don't want, once I have the design, it's so annoying to change the template because it doesn't fit. It happens to me sometimes, but it's a pain indeed. So this is the second step, to find the templates, to create them, to check them, and to end up with a perfect template, because it's pure mathematics. If it's wrong, it's not going to, it's not going to be assembled in a good way or properly. The third step, once we have the mood boards, the inspiration, the color that we are going to make the collection, and we have the template, the third one is start designing. For me, it's very important to know what is going to be the color of the collection I'm going to do. In that case, it's going to be 12 cards and envelopes. I want to make a theme color, it's going to make very easy all the process of designing. I have been working in a fashion industry for 20 years, and I have been working as a fashion designer, so the steps are the same, but instead of clothes and apparel, now I'm designing printables. It's the same process, actually. Let's start designing. First, I'm going to design the Christmas cards. First of all, I'm going to design the cards, and then, based on the color of the cards, I'm going to design the envelopes. It's the same way I did the Christmas cards and envelopes that I have already in my shop, that they sold very, very, very well in Christmas. It was amazing how well it goes. That's why I decided to make also cards for Valentine's Day. Let's see how it goes. I already designed about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already designed 10 cards, 10 Valentine's Day cards, and I missed 2 because in the printable I'm going to include 12 cards and 12 envelopes. What I usually do is to use Milanote, because this tool is amazing and it's free. So check it out. Before continuing, what I like to do is to have an overview of all the designs so I can check the colors, because for example now I can see that I have made 3 in pink, and if I don't check it, maybe I end up with 4 pinks, and for example we have also 2 designs in red, 2 in blue, and I think I miss more white. You know, to have a collection of 12 cards but with balanced colors. So now that I miss 2, I think I'm going to make another in red and another in white. Yes, probably this is what I'm going to do. The fourth step is to print the designs. So now that I have finished the designs, I'm always printing them in 2 scales, 1/6 and 1/12. Why? Because in my shop, all the miniature printables I'm selling are always in 2 scales. And also I sell them in 2 formats. Can I say formats? I mean in A4, which is the European, I think, more common file, and US letter, that, as the name says, is for US mainly. All this is included in the printable that I'm selling. So now I have here all the printables that I'm going to make, and the following step is to assemble them. What I normally do is to make some videos for reels, and also I was going to speak in Spanish también. Also I need make a video for my Etsy shop, because I really like to put, you know, a video of the printable, because it's better that you can see better how it is, the product actually, because okay, it's a printable, but how is going to be? If I put only the digital product, it doesn't make sense. Now let's start to assemble this. Okay, so now I have finished to assemble them, and the only thing that I need to do now is to make the pictures for the shop and make some videos, some reels, and basically that's it. I'm looking here because they are all displayed here. I hope you enjoy all the process, because I think maybe it's a little bit interesting for some of you. I don't know what is going to be the next video, because I want to make a schedule for YouTube, but I'm very busy creating products for my shop. The goal for this year is going to be to make more videos for YouTube, more long form videos, more long form. Oh, sorry for my English, because you have many shorts. I upload a lot of shorts, so go watch them. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next video. Bye. Long form video. Joder, es que es súper difícil. Long form videos. Okay.